Hi guys, welcome back to another cool video, and in this video I teach you guys one of my favorite card controls because it's so easy, it's so convincing, and it's just so awesome. So please check this out, it's so amazing. And I'm also giving away a skull deck. If you want it, then go ahead and check out my giveaway video of the skull deck and just hit the like button and follow the rules that are given in the comment section, and you will get a chance to win that deck. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here's the performance of that trick. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and give the deck a quick little mix up like that. Now I'm gonna have the spectator just pick any card from the deck. Let's say they pick this one over here, the Queen of Spades. Okay, this could have been any card, but they picked in this case the Queen of Spades. Now at this point, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna place the Queen of Spades over here for now. So now at this point, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna place the card back into this fan. Okay, now before I do that, I just want to remind you something. Okay, now you could have picked any card here, it was not a force at all, right? Now at this point, the spectator can put the card anywhere in the fan. In this case, I don't have a spectator, so I will put the card over here like that, push it all the way in, and the spectator can also square the deck up just to ensure that I am not doing anything. Okay, the spectator does everything at this point. Okay, square the deck, they put the card inside. Now at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and give the deck a couple of overhand shuffles like that, no breaks at all. Okay, because the spectator handled the deck, right? Now at this point, whenever I want, I can just go ahead and snap my fingers and I can bring the card to the top. Alright, so I hope you guys like that control, and now here's how we do it. And before I start doing it, I just want to say something. Okay, now when you're doing this control, I would recommend doing this in a trick, because if you do the control alone, there are some chances that a spectator can think for a while and break this down. Okay, so just do it with a card trick and include this in a card trick, and don't do this separately. Okay, so that's my advice, but you know, sometimes it works. So here's how you do it. So first of all, go ahead and mix up the deck and have the spectator mix up the deck, it doesn't really matter, and go ahead and have them choose a card. So let's say they pick this one, this card over here. So in this case, they can see the card, and you can see the card, no slides at this point. So you have the Ace of Hearts. Then you're gonna say that you could have picked any card, and you do this motion of just moving the hands and the wrist back and forth, and while doing this, just catch a quick little pinky break below the top card. Okay, so as you can see, this swift motion, and you just got a break. Just do this and catch a break, then you put this card on top, you quickly square it up. Don't take much time over here, because if you do this very slow, the spectator may think and may suspect something. Okay, so just do it really fast, just square the deck up and pick the two cards. So now you have a different card over here and the selection on top. Now, you know, I think you have already got on how this works. So now you put the two cards over here and be really casual about it, just throw it over there. Okay, now at this point, this is the main part of the flourish, I mean the card control. Okay, and you have to stand up, or you should be standing up at this point, because you know, if you're sitting and you do this move, this will look really unnatural. So you can just stand up and then do this flourish, then it will look a bit more natural and a bit more realistic. So you do a fan. The fan that I do here is the snake fan, you can learn it on my channel. Okay, so you do the snake fan like that, or any fan you want. You can also do the pressure fan or the thumb fan. Okay, so now you are here. Then you're gonna say that you could have picked any card out of these fans, and you just take this and put this over here on top of this selection. Okay, and this move should also happen really fast, don't take too much time at it. Just do this, and then here's the exposed view. Okay, just go ahead and drag. When you come back, you just drag along the card like that. Okay, so we have two cards over here. Now if I just go ahead and do this, as you can see, we have only one card. Okay, and the selection is over here. So that's what you do. You're gonna do this. So you're gonna say, okay, so you could have picked any card out of these cards, and you do this really cool swift action, and you have already stolen the card. So this can also act as a card steal if you want to. Okay, then you are over here. Now at this point, you're gonna go ahead and have the spectator place the card over here, anywhere in the middle of the deck. You can have them push it in. Then you just, just go ahead and square the fan up on top of the selection and just leave it like that. Then you have the spectator square this up, and this will make it even more powerful. Okay, so they just square this up like that, and now the card is already on the bottom. Now to bring it to the top, I do an overhand shuffle. So I do this, I just peel off one card and then overhand shuffle the cards on top of it, bring the cards on top, and then I retain it there by doing some more shuffles like this. I peel off the bottom and the top card like that, and then I do the overhand shuffle like that. And then at this point you can just show them that the card has jumped to the top, or you can continue with the trick that you are doing. So guys, that is the fan control. That's it guys, that was the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video if you can with your friends. And till then, goodbye, take care, and also let me know in the comments below what are your favorite card controls, and I will just quickly read them. If I came across a new card control, I will learn it, because we can tell each other our favorite card controls and share information with each other. So please do that, and I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye, take care.